Hey, what's up guys? So our topic for today is how to download videos on Instagram. So let's get started. First, go to Instagram and then copy the link of the video. Just press these three dots here, copy link, and then go to your Safari or browser and type in gramsave.com and put the link here, paste it, and press download. So after that, you can now see your downloaded video. So press download. And then you'll see this notification here. Just press download again. And after that, you'll see the download. And then go to main menu and go to files. After that, hardly press this video and you'll see these options and press share and move up and press this save video. So after that, go to your photos and you'll see your downloaded video. So that's it.